Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change DoorDash notification sound, guys. So if you want to ensure that your DoorDash account is receiving notifications or text messages from Dashers, you can turn on these SMS and push notifications so you can receive updates, about your delivery. So you just do this, guys. Go to your DoorDash and you see their bottom right, you can click on account, okay? The top of the app or the bottom, depending on which app you're using. If you're in the Android, the top, if you're in the iOS, bottom, scroll down to notifications. Okay, guys, scroll down to notifications. And if you're in the Android, click on it. iOS, you're gonna see it right there. Just click on it. Just turn them on, okay? Delivery push notifications, SMS notifications. Just click that on. You can just slide the bar. Okay, you can turn those on. Literally that easy and simple, guys. And if you want to opt out, you can just click that as well. And if you want to change the sound, what you need to do is go to your actual settings of your phone and change the sound of your SMS notifications. That's how you change the sound. You can do it just for the app, but so this is how you can turn on the notifications at least, or turn them on if you find them, turn them off if you find them annoying, guys. So it's actually that easy and simple. So if this video helps, make sure you like, comment, and if you want, you can always subscribe.